has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hamilton County, southeastern Butler County, northwestern Claremont County, southwestern Warren County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wyoming, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Hamilton, Fairfield, Mason, Lebanon, Norwood, Forest Park, Sharonville, Monroe, Blue Ash, Loveland, Springdale, Redding, Montgomery, North College Hill, Madera, Wyoming, Milford, Mount Healthy, and Deer Park. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 7 and 31. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 6 and 26.